Hi everyone. Today, I want to show you how you can separate first names from last names in Microsoft Excel, and this won't require any formulas at all. It's extremely easy to do. Here I am on Micros in Microsoft Excel. I have a big list of names. And I have two other columns here, one for the first name and one for the last name, and it's kind of lonely right now because there are no values in here, so it seems pretty simple. Select thrice columns, and then go to the Insert tab. Option to insert a table, so we're going to go ahead and click on that here. It says where is the data for your table. I already highlighted that. And I also have this option that says my table has headers. Well, it does, because I have full name, first name, last name. That's my header, so I'll make sure that's checked, and then I'll click on OK. All right. Write the first name in the first row. Then click on the cell below. Press Ctrl+E. The first names from this column will automatically be shown in this column. Same as for the last names column. I think this is an easiest way to separate names in Excel. Please giving a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorial.